Hey everyone! The Acer Shadow Knight Neo 16 positions itself as a strong, higher mid-range gaming laptop that clearly prioritizes raw performance while still paying attention to display quality and thermal stability. Aimed at gamers, creators, and power users who need desktop-class muscle in a portable form factor, this model delivers a configuration that feels thoughtfully balanced rather than flashy for the sake of it. At the heart of the Shadow Knight Neo 16 is Intel's 14th generation Core i7-14650HX, a processor that brings serious horsepower with its 16 cores and 24 threads. Acer pairs this processor with NVIDIA's GeForce RTX 5060 laptop GPU, running at 115 watt. The GPU benefits from 4th generation RT cores and 5th generation Tensor cores, enabling advanced ray tracing and AI-accelerated features. Sustaining this level of performance requires robust cooling, and Acer appears to have taken thermal design seriously. The dual-fan cooling system uses fans with 101 optimized blades, combined with large D10 and D6 heat pipes that efficiently move heat away from critical components. This setup allows the system to handle up to 170 watt of combined CPU and GPU power without significant throttling, which is crucial for maintaining consistent performance during long gaming sessions or extended rendering tasks. The display is one of the standout features of the Shadow Knight Neo 16. The 16-inch 2.5K panel strikes a sweet spot between resolution and performance, offering a sharp image without being overly demanding on the GPU. Memory and storage options are practical and future-proof. The laptop ships with 16 gigs of DDR5 memory, while support for up to 64 gigs ensures headroom for more demanding professional workflows. Connectivity is another strong point. Support for Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 5.4 ensures fast and reliable wireless performance. The port selection is generous, featuring multiple USB-A ports, a combo audio jack, HDMI 2.1 for high-resolution external displays, and a full-function USB-C 3.2 Gen 2 port with 100-watt power delivery. In terms of design, the Shadow Knight Neo 16 leans toward a clean but gamer-friendly aesthetic. The metal-finished lid adds a sense of durability and premium feel, while the per-key RGB keyboard allows for extensive customization without being mandatory if a more subdued look is preferred. Full-size arrow keys are a welcome touch for both gaming and productivity. Acer also includes its control software, giving users access to system monitoring, performance tuning, and customization options, which adds to the overall sense of control and flexibility. Overall, the Acer Shadow Knight Neo 16 delivers a compelling package for its price, combining a powerful HX series Intel processor, a capable RTX 5060 GPU, an excellent high refresh rate display, and solid thermal and connectivity features. It feels like a laptop designed to perform consistently under pressure, making it a strong choice for gamers and creators who want high performance without stepping into the much more expensive flagship territory. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button. Have a nice day, and God bless you.